In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key on HubSpot for 2024 step by step. Let's get started, as it should only take a few minutes to complete this process. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the URL hubspot.com and pressing enter. This will bring you to the main HubSpot website, which is the starting point for accessing your API key. Now, once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to fill in your correct email and password to proceed. If you've forgotten your credentials, follow the provided steps to recover them before continuing. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your HubSpot home. From here, the next step is to access the settings. Look again to the top right corner and you will find a gear icon, which symbolizes the settings menu. Clicking on this gear icon will open up the settings page. This is where you can manage a variety of tools and functionalities within HubSpot. Within the settings menu, you'll want to navigate to integrations. This section can be found in the left-hand navigation pane. Clicking on integrations opens up several options related to connecting HubSpot with other tools and systems. After you've clicked on integrations, the next step is to find private apps. This is where you will manage and access different API keys and tokens for your private applications. It's a vital step, as API keys are specific to the apps you are working with and affect what data you can access and how you can interact with HubSpot's platform programmatically. Once you're in the private apps section, look for the option that says View Access Token. Click this to proceed. Access tokens, or API keys, are sensitive pieces of information that allow authorized access to your HubSpot account's data, so it's important to know where to find them when needed. Finally, you'll see a button labeled Copy. Clicking this will allow you to copy your API key directly to your clipboard. Be cautious with this, as you don't want to expose your API key to unauthorized users. Always ensure that only people who absolutely need this information have access to it, and never share it publicly. With these steps, you've successfully accessed and copied your API key from HubSpot. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you should have no trouble finding and safely managing your API key in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials.